This is abacha made with cassava, garden egg leaf, uba, kanda, and meat, beef. That is anokporo John and garden egg. This one is for us to enjoy this afternoon, made specially by Sister Obi. This is how much. This one is for Antingo. She brought her own specially because she doesn't like pepper. But this one has pepper because me, I enjoy it with a lot of pepper, and this hot afternoon, this is the best thing. It's the best meal for you with chilled water. And for those that like palm wine, you can use chilled palm wine to enjoy it. This is lovely. I love this salad. Let me take our time and enjoy it. See you.